Okay, actually I was thinking of finish the question so that I can chase down the rabbit hole and at least it's clearer, right? So from the previous case, we can manage to find R double dot A and R double dot B, which allows us to find that R double dot A is 50 and R double dot B is negative 25. And we sub inside here, and eventually we got our acceleration of A is 50 pointing to 180 degrees, so means that A is having acceleration to the left, 180 degrees, and B is having acceleration to the right, which is, why is it the right? Because it's negative 25, 180. So this is also equals to 25, 0 degrees. Okay, now the next question asks us to what is the position and velocity of B after 8 seconds? So what is the position and velocity of B after 8 seconds? So this is very simple, I'm just going to briefly touch and go. So what happened was that to find the answer, we have now know that AB is equals to 25 direction 0. So I do what? Integrate lah. Just integrate. When I integrate, just integrate for 8 seconds. So basically I integrate, I got direction, velocity of B is equals to integrate acceleration of B direction dt, right? When time is 0, the what is it called? The velocity of B is 0. Why when time is equal to 0, velocity of B is 0? Because when time is 0, velocity of A is 0. When velocity of A is 0, R dot A is 0, R dot B is 0 also, according to the second equation. So we have this thing. When time is t is in the future, what is velocity of B? Velocity B is also an unknown. And from here we can represent velocity of B as a function of time, because AB here is just a constant, so just throw the 0 degrees out, so you can get the answer. And eventually you differentiate one more time, you will get what is it called, position of B with respect to time. Then eventually you solve the question, right? So it's not that tough, huh? It's quite intuitive in a certain sense. So after that, let's go to question number 5. And after question number 5, we might go and touch into one or two past year questions, and we'll be done with the Poulet chapter.